Now, the bands are in glorious condition right now, and that's not going to last because despite what spaceweather.com says, we're getting whacked. We're getting whacked hard by a CME anytime this afternoon. And I'm not I'm not feeling it, man. What am I feeling? I'd like to talk to you guys a little bit more about CW. It won't be a long talk, but I've got a couple things that are very important that I'd like to say to you fellows and ladies that are either just learning the code and just starting out, or you are on your way and working on speed and such. Okay? But first, a farm report. Hang on. Bear with me here. There is an amateur radio connection from this garden to our hobby. Now, let me explain what's going on here. These are peppers. Those two are the same kind. Those two are the same kind. One of those has great significance to our hobby. 3 little rows of carrots, because they're rabbit food. I don't like them. Green onions, another little patch of green onions. I stick them where I can find. 4 tomato plants. 3 slicers, 1 heirloom that produces white fruit with red polka dots. Growing it for my sisters. Here, let's take a walk. I know it's exciting for you. 2 more green pepper plants. Now, one of those is a jalapeno. I think jalapenos are delicious sliced and placed on sandwiches. Green peppers. And from that stake on, there's nothing planted yet. And I'm thinking 1 cucumber plant, or maybe, I don't know, we'll see. From that stake forth will be a trellis. I'm growing pole beans up the trellis. Okay? Now, that was left over from the previous garden. I planted grass seed. This is my little working path. Those, I thought they were called bricks. I asked for bricks. Yeah, what are bricks? I'm like, seriously, man? You know, dude, a brick. Oh, you mean pavers. And I'm like, must we play this game? Must we have this dance? You know what I'm talking about, damn it. And those will be turned vertically and set into the ground so that they rise above the ground a couple inches. I was going to fill it with stone, but fearing stone like I fear another broken leg, after having spent my whole summer last summer moving Nancy's, my sister's landscaping nightmare rock in the home that she bought. So, my working trail, I've named it. It is Old Buzzard Lane. So Old Buzzard Lane provides access. The garden beds are only 4.5 feet wide, about 5 feet wide. So I can get to them from both sides, never need to walk in them. And so the significance of ham radio. One of these green peppers is very special. I'm going to try my best to zoom in to get close. The phone's focusing isn't so great. You ready for this, boys? That's right. I couldn't believe it. I just grabbed pepper plants at random. This morning I came out to look at the garden, and Giant Marconi. Marconi. Speaking of Marconi, let's go talk about some Morse code, okay, guys? Hang on. I'll take you with me because I know how excited you guys get when we go walking. You're waiting for me to fall down again. I know you are. It's happened before.